Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I would be posting daily, blah blah blah, but no. And also, I have kept this packing like I haven't even looked at it for the last 2 days. It's such a mess. So today we'll be packing my bag and going through what all I am taking with me to Melbourne, and it's gonna be fun. So before we get started, today is the 13th of Feb and I am leaving on 17th, so there's like 4 more days and it's gonna hit me soon and I'm just gonna be in a slump, I guess. But yeah, pretty exciting, nervous, everything, all emotions. But let's get packing started so we can get that out of the way and be done with it. And hopefully by today I'll have my bags all set. So before the packing stuff, I'll be back for that. I have to go to the bank again today and collect my card. So I still haven't done that. So yeah, I'm gonna take you along with me. It's just like a few steps. Just walking distance from home, and hopefully I get it today itself. I hope. So here we are going to get my card. That's my sister. Say hi. Hi. So we finally got the card and now headed back home, and then I'll start packing.
I just thought the bank was like that.
Hey guys, I'm finally back home after the bank thing. I'm really exhausted and I'm really hungry. So this is my breakfast for the day. A little toast. And after this we're going to get started on the packing, and yeah, so okay, I'll catch you then. So I had removed some of the stuff before the last time I checked my weight, the luggage weight and everything was overweight and I had to remove a bunch of stuff, and I had already done that and then I never checked the weight again. So now we're going to check the weight again and then decide what all more we should remove. So yeah, here's to that. So I'm going to check my first main luggage first, which is, let's see how much it is. I have no clue. I don't even know if I removed the right amount of things yet, but let's see. We'll know it in just a second. So just wait a few minutes. So this is 23 kilos right now. Now the second luggage, I'm already scared for this part. So everything is supposed to be under 40, like just 40. So 23. And this one is oh, 23 and 17.8. My math's not mathing right now, but I think it's like 41 kilos. Okay, that's great. So just to be sure, I'm checking the bigger one again. Oh, didn't read. Okay, 23.4 and 17.8. Let me do the math and I'll come back to you. So I did weigh everything and the total is coming to 41.2, and I still have these things to keep, and so I have to reduce around 2 kilos, I think. But yeah, let's see how that goes. The smaller luggage. So there are some amount of things that I need to remove, absolutely, and I have to replace with these things because I haven't added it in my luggage yet. So let's make space for those things. Yeah, this is such a time consuming process. I don't know what all to remove again because I've been removing so many things from the beginning. But yeah, let's back again. This packing is taking everything out of me. This is so difficult. And poor Bob here, who I promised to take to Australia, is unfortunately not coming with me this time. Maybe next time, because my luggage is literally overweight and I don't think planning to pay extra money for way more weight. So yeah. Okay, this is like the third time I'm going to check the weight of my luggage. I have removed most items that are heavy, and I thought I don't need it and I can get it from there, so that's fine. After that we will see everything that I've packed. I'll go through everything and organize my luggage, but first I have to make sure it's in the correct weight limits, except for my shampoo, conditioner. Everything else is kept right now. And I need to buy small shampoo, conditioner, because the one I have is huge and heavy, so I thought I'll get small bottles so that way I can take it with me, as well as not sacrifice my weight for other items. I don't know if it makes sense, but yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna check the weight again, recheck the weight for the third time today. Overall, I think this is like my 10th time checking my luggage. Here we go. This one's 17 kilos.
How much weight now?
And 22.5. So I just rechecked my luggages and now it's finally under 40 kilos, and I've kept everything that I am planning to take, most of my stuff. So I think that's a win, and I have to reorganize everything, so I'll do that right now, and then you can also see what all I'm taking. So if you are planning to go as an international student, so you'll also have an idea. So first things first, I'm carrying a couple of clothes that I can wear there, so I'll be showing that. So a towel, which is important for when I land and stuff, and a bunch of clothes which I'll be putting into this big vacuum seal thing, so I can save a lot of space and everything will fit better. But I'm not sure if I need to do the vacuum thing, but let me see. If I need it, I will use it. That's how it is going right now. And I'm gonna sort through my clothes once again to see if it is absolutely necessary. Can I like remove a few things so I can have some more space for my other essentials? So yeah. So I'm really exhausted from the packing and the repacking and everything. So finally I got my luggage to be below 40 kilos, like 39 something. So that's a good thing. And now I have to rearrange everything into two like luggages and make sure my stuff are like, you know, properly arranged. So in case the students allowance 10 kg doesn't happen, I can still have all my 30 kilo stuff that is absolutely necessary to go. So that's the plan, and it looks like I won't have much of clothes when I reach there, so I don't know how that's going to turn out, but yeah, that's interesting. I might have to shop a little bit there. Yeah, so I'll be getting back to packing after a break because I am so tired. So I'm back again to pack. So other than my clothes, I have a couple of pair of shoes. Okay, I'll show you what I have. Okay, so this pair of sandals and some shoes. I have one more pair of shoes, but I'm too lazy to take it out. I think I showed my towel. Then a couple of bags that are very dear and near to me, and I love them so much. So, and I think it's essential. So few bags, more clothes, and my lip products, which I have a lot, and I want them with me. So yeah, that. And then I got this mirror from IKEA. Hi me. So this mirror, like this table mirror, that. Then I'm also taking this other bag which my sister gifted me. Then okay, Then I have my jewelry. It's all there in this box. It's all set to go. Home slippers. I'm going to show you that. This tote bag. It's cute, right? Then my new hair dryer, which you can attach this like this, and then I'm so excited to use this. I haven't completely been using it on a daily basis right now. I haven't used it properly yet, so I'm really excited to use this. So this is there. Then I got a couple packets of cup noodles, like for food, till I get settled and, you know, can find out nearby grocery stores and things, or like any restaurant for that matter. So that. Then more accessories and some items. Then my makeup bag, few of my bangles, and this one, which is super cute. Then I have more bags. I think I should cut down my bags, to be honest. This and this Uniqlo bag, which is really helpful in carrying items. Maybe I might carry this with me, like in my handbag. Maybe I should do that with my like handbag. So yeah, but then I stuffed this with things, so I think I'll take it out. So my bangles, strepsils, phone cases as necessary. Okay. Then these flower clips. Okay, now my essentials. Okay, like just for like the beginning. Sunscreen, pseudo cream. I don't know if you've heard about this, but this really helps with rashes and mosquito bites and anything. To be honest, I use this all the time. So that. Perfume 1, perfume 2, a roll-on, Vaseline. Did I show Vaseline? I don't think so. Vaseline, roll-on, this heat powder, cleansing water for removing my makeup, wicks, my moisturizer, my favorite face wash and toothpaste, and several items which I'm too lazy to show now because my shaving kit, hair oil, more perfume, and yeah, and then I have my makeup pouch and my skincare pouch. So basically these are the main things that I'm taking with me. I know you don't feel like there's anything important in this. To be honest, you can just take 40 kilos and somehow, I don't know, all this adds up to 40 kilos. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm actually too lazy to organize it today, so this might take another day again. So let's see. Oh my god. So that's the plan, and I'll do it tomorrow, promise. No procrastinating for sure. Just need to sort out some more items and like keep everything that I discarded back somewhere. Oh, and then I'm also carrying this gigantic water bottle. It's going to be my new water bottle. It's bigger than my face. Yeah, this is going to be my comfort bottle, hopefully. Just a girl struggling to pack her life in 40 kilos. I'll catch you when I'm leaving to Melbourne next. I'm not gonna vlog packing again because I've shown it to you. I've literally shown everything I've taken. So I just need to reorganize everything, and that's it for this vlog. I love you guys, and we also hit 100 subscribers, which is super cool. And I never thought there would be even 5 people who would watch my vlogs, but here we are. 100 is a big number, and I'm learning to appreciate small wins in life. So yeah, thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye.